A winter weather advisory is in effect for our area. Currently in our area, 18 degrees with light snow. Our local Doppler radar. Today, snow likely. Some sleet may mix in. High 28. Snow accumulating 2 to 4 inches. For tonight, a wintry mix early. Low 24. On Tuesday, mostly cloudy skies. High 40. Here's our 7-day outlook.
Bye, Cal.
See you Wednesday.
So, as you can tell, I'm in winter gear. And I'm outside the Keene State College Mason Library.
I'm tired to take a
And also, as you can see, as soon as I get the camera back on my glove, it's snowing out. So I decided I might turn off the camera because it seems to be a bit crowded out here. This college is back in session, but as you can tell, it is snowing out. There's snow on the ground. And I was going to walk from here to Shaw's, but I might turn off the camera and turn it back on when it's less crowded. So I'm going to turn off the camera, and when it's less crowded, I'll turn it back on. So see you then. Bye. Okay, now that we're in a less crowded area, I just wanted to show you the snow. But we're at the Keene State College. I was at the library for a little bit, messing around on the computer. Hopefully next week I'll have internet at the place I'm staying at on Beaver Street. And take 2. My camera, because I was moving it up and down, but I dropped it, so it turned off. But, because when I was showing you my gear. So this time I'm going to do it slow motion. You can see I got hat on. This is my sweatshirt. Got a jacket I got from the Clean in the Kitchen. I got gloves on both hands. And that's pretty much it. So it's not too bad as far as being cold. It's just wet because it's snowing out. Alright, now that I got the camera facing the right direction. This is the art gallery. It's Keene State College Art Gallery. But anyways, as I was saying, what was I saying? Oh yeah, Wednesday, it's supposed to be 54 degrees out. 54 degrees. It's probably about, 15, 18 degrees out right now. And like I said, I'm not too cold. I guess being down in South Carolina for, as long as I have been, I'm used to it. And I did come up here in September, but it was warm in September, obviously. But, so, I mean, the year and a half that I was, down there, a year and 4 months that I was down in South Carolina, obviously it hasn't affected me too much because I'm not actually that cold. I know people who have been here since I left who are more cold than I am. But that's another story. My camera's getting wet, so I'm not sure how much more I can. My camera's not really waterproof. Well, I'm going to turn it off for a little bit until we're more towards where I'm going, which is Shaw's, and then I'll turn the camera back on. But I'll make sure to videotape some snowbanks, because that's another thing I want to videotape, so bye. So we're still at the Keene State College, but I want to show you the snowbanks. I took a couple pictures of them on my phone and tried to send them to my friends, but it didn't work. So I'm taking a couple pictures now. So Snowbank 1 and Snowbank 2. And I'll show you a lot more snowbanks pretty soon. So I'm going to stop the camera for now, and when I get to bigger snowbanks, I'll show you them. Bye. So now we're behind Shaw's and Walmart. and Burger King and all those places. And that's the Keene State College field. And now I'm going to attempt to go down this probably very icy, slippery hill. I'm hoping I don't break my video camera in the process, or me. So, and my battery is almost already dying. One bar is gone. I got my little battery in here. So I'm going to walk down slowly, because this is a steep hill, and usually it's very icy, and try to stay on the snow part of it. I can already feel myself slipping. You can tell someone's been sliding. Probably someone fell in their butts too. And I'm purposely taping the ground because you'll see if I fall, you're going to see the sky. Alright, I safely made it down the hill, and just to show you how slippery it is. So, there's another snowbank over there. And yeah, it's still snowing, my camera's still getting wet. But that probably didn't help. Snowbank's over there. I'll zoom in. Snowbank over there. And that's pretty much it. And there's more snowbanks way over there, but it's too far. Yeah, I can see quite a few snowbanks from here, but they're too far. And this is the Keene State College parking lot. This belongs to the Keene State College. But anyways, I'm going to turn off the camera now, and I'll probably turn it on when we're at Shaw's before I go in. So, see you then. Bye. So, I took the city's bus from Shaw's, which is a local bus that goes around to all the big places in Keene, and, you know, for those who can't walk around or have a vehicle, they bring the transportation bus, you know, a local bus. And I turned on the video camera because it's snowing a lot harder now. It's snowing a lot harder. I'm back on downtown. Here's the old middle school. And so I bought some just food from Shaw's. I just bought some junk food, some Doritos and some crackers. I'm getting weird looks because people are wondering why I'm talking to a video camera. But anyways, so yeah, it's been a couple hours. I forget what time I put the camera on. But anyways, so you can tell a lot more snow. And my camera's getting really wet because it's snowing. But yeah, it's snowing a lot harder than it was. As you saw earlier on the Weather Channel when I first turned on the video camera, it was 2 to 4 inches. I think it's going to be a lot more than that. And now I'm going to have to get around this car who seemed to have parked in the middle of the road to clean it off. So I'm going to stop the camera for now, and I'll start it up in a little bit. So, bye for now.